My dear technicians, you're welcome to my new video. This is Villaon V211, and today again I'm bringing you another repair video. And this is my third time or fourth time I'm making the video on this Villaon phone about the earpiece sign on the screen. Can you see? Even though you didn't put earpiece, it will just be displaying that there's earpiece. Okay, and because of this, your speaker is not going to work. So I'm going to show you a simple technique on how to solve this. But first of all, let's brush the panel. Let's clean it up to remove all dirt from the panel, from the PCB. Okay. Please be careful when you are doing this. Don't allow your chemical to get into your mouthpiece. All right. So be careful when doing this. And I advise you, after you do this, please ensure you hit the panel so that the chemical can dry off properly. So let's test it again to see if it goes or not. So let's wait for it to boot. Can you see? It is still there. So now I'm going to show you this. This step works for me all the time. Okay, this step works for me all the time. As long as it's a Villaon. See this point? You connect it to the V-bar of the battery. This point of the earpiece, connect it to the V-bar. So now let's go. I'm getting my running wire now. So I'm not going to waste your time. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. All right. Watch this video to the end to understand how it works. All right. Okay. So I'm preparing my running wire now so that I can connect it. So my dear technicians, please take your time. Don't rush your work. Take your time to do it. Okay. So now I'm going to apply my lead first to the V-bat. I'm applying it to the V-bat now. Apply my lead to the V-bat. Make sure I apply it very well. So now let's connecting to the V-bat now. My running wire. So now the second one is going to the earpiece jack. So now I'm applying my lead. I'm done applying the last one. Let me connect the running wire. Can you see? I'm done. Can you see, my dear technicians? It's not difficult. It's very simple. Can you see? Can you see? It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. I've arranged my wire now. Let's test if it's working or not. Okay? 1, 2, go. Let's power on the phone. Okay? Can you see that? Can you see it is talking? Even on the phone, you know that it is talking. Let's check the frame. Can you see? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Can you hear that it is talking? The frame is talking. So now let's check the ringing tone to confirm that yes, it is actually working properly. Can you see? Can you hear that? Can you hear that it is ringing? So now thanks for